be broken. However, I want to assure you that I am not here to make any promises that I may not keep. Instead, I am here to tell you that I will do what needs to be done to ensure our school's success. Once again, Hashira M. Usman, so let us come together, support one another, and make informed decisions. Let us choose leaders who will do what needs to be done, who will put our school's interests above their own, and who will inspire us to be better versions of ourselves. I ask for your support in this election. I'll do what needs to be done to ensure our school's success. Let us work together to make our school a better place for everyone. Thank you and wassalam. Now may I call on the BPD team for their
Kita tahu kapan PC ya? Buka dit mo sugat. Kasunta pa.